Today I'm going to teach you how to add a pixel ID to Webflow. This is essential for tracking visitor behavior and running effective Facebook ad campaigns by collecting data directly from your website. First, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once you're on the home page, log in using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Webflow dashboard where you can manage all your sites and their settings. In your Webflow dashboard, navigate to the All Sites section. Here you'll see a list of all the websites you've created or have access to. Hover your mouse over the site where you want to add the pixel ID. When you do this, you'll notice three dotted lines appear. Click on those three dots and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This action opens up the configuration panel for that specific site. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left sidebar. You'll see various options for managing your site's features and integrations. Click on Apps and Integrations. This section is where Webflow allows you to connect third-party tools and services to enhance your website's functionality. Within the Apps and Integrations menu, navigate down until you find Metapixel. This is Facebook's tracking tool that was previously known as the Facebook Pixel. Click on it to access the integration settings. This is where you'll establish the connection between your Webflow site and your Facebook advertising account. Now, you'll see a field where you can enter your Metapixel ID. This ID is a unique number that you can find in your Facebook Events Manager. Simply paste or type your Metapixel ID into this field. Make sure you enter it correctly as any mistakes will prevent the pixel from tracking properly. After entering your pixel ID, look toward the upper right panel of the screen. You'll see a Save button. Click on Save to apply these changes. Once you hit Save, Webflow will begin integrating the Metapixel into your website's code, allowing it to start collecting visitor data immediately. And that's it. You've successfully added your Pixel ID to Webflow, and your site is now ready to track conversions and gather audience insights for your Facebook ads. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.